Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Pick a sheet and a roll of clear tape. Measure and cut your paper to the target size. 2x3 in is a reliable sticky note feel. Once cut, place the paper face down. Align a 1 in tape strip centered and let the tape overhang about 1/4 in on each short side. Make sure the tape is smooth and bubbles-free so adhesion is even. This first step sets the foundation for a neat, reusable sticky note. Once the tape strip is smooth, fold each overhanging tape flap around the paper edges and press firmly. This seals and protects the paper edge. Make small diagonal cuts at the corners to reduce bulk and prevent the tape from lifting when peeled. Then, leave a controlled 1/4 in tape flap at the top edge as your pull tab. Press the rest down but keep the tab free. Make sure the tab is thin but sturdy so you can lift the note without ripping the paper. You finish by testing the sticky note on your target surface and adjusting if needed. If it doesn't adhere, add a short 1 in strip of double-sided tape under the folded tab or reposition where surface is clean and dry. For curling or poor hold, remove and reapply a wider tape overlap and press firmly to expel air. One key troubleshooting tip. If edges peel quickly, trim tape closer to the paper edge and ensure the surface is free of dust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.